What do you think, Barrett?
Gonna be cool.
No, we don't got enough room, so I got to make.
We're doing our columns for our porch.
Yeah. All right,
Porch columns. We got our footings. We got a rebar epoxied into the footings. There's Marvin. He's the man. We're gonna pour these columns. Then we'll go off the edge. That's good. Yeah. Perfect. I ordered extra concrete because I knew it was going to spill around the edge like that. Gotta be careful we don't get too close to the edge. This is a new pad up here we filled. Driver's pretty good. So like I said, we ordered extra because I knew we could just let it fall around the sides if it got too much like that. You don't want to order the exact amount of concrete for these columns or any job. You want to add about 20-30%. Don't get your hair dirty. Concrete's heavy. Gotta be careful with it. Woo! That's why we ordered extra. I mean, on a job like this where you're just pouring 4 columns, it ain't gonna cost that much extra to get another yard. $160 to be exact. Darian, I think you did a good job.
And I'll be back whenever you need me.
You did a good job hitting those columns. They're only 14 inches square, so you did a good job hitting them.
Good job.
Thanks for working with us like that.
Thank you.
Awesome. Next time you see them, they'll be all set up, forms removed. I like the front loaders.